So my name's Louise. I am studying an undergraduate degree in physics at Curtin University. Over the summer I've been doing an internship with ICRA and Pawsey, which I've really enjoyed. So my project working at ICRA was with Chris Power and Lily and Garrett Smithson, and we were looking at how black holes grow from seeds in dwarf galaxies in the early universe. So the reason we're looking at dwarf galaxies is they tend to form within the first billion years of the universe, and they're some of the most numerous galaxies to exist. So I had quite an unusual path coming into studying physics. I actually left school when I was in year 11. I thought, okay, this is not really for me, it's too conventional, I don't really enjoy the classes, I sort of feel I'm not getting a huge deal out of it. And I had been playing music at the time and started playing with a band who was playing gigs professionally, and I thought, okay, you know, what do I need to do all this study for? I'm going to become a musician. After a little while, I got a bit curious to know a bit more about the world that's around us. So I decided, okay, now's the time I'm actually going to get out and travel. And then just the more that I did that, the more that my passion for learning and for knowing what was in the world around us actually grew. I contacted Curtin. They said, look, you know, we've got this general sciences degree. Basically, you can come in. You can come in because you have biology, you have, you know, English, you have maths. You can come in and you can do this degree, and you can actually structure around what you're looking to achieve in the future. So I actually didn't really know a whole lot about high performance computing until I actually started my degree, and I started talking to the professors and to my coordinators about going through and wanting to study astrophysics, and they said to me, hey, you know, if you want to be in the field of astrophysics, one of the most important skills you're going to need to pick up is how to code, how to use computer systems, and how do you go like large volumes of data. In my first Python unit, I walked in there and I'm looking at these other students around me and thinking, okay, they all have a basic understanding of what's going on here. I've never opened up the command line on my computer, I've never done any of that stuff. It was really overwhelming. My gosh, at the end of it, the understanding of how I had how code actually works and how these functions in Python work made such a huge difference. And then I just got thirsty for knowing more about computers and stuff. And you know, just wanted to know as much as I could. I wanted to learn about high performance computing. I wanted to learn about managing all these massive amounts of data. For my future, I think I'm really excited about just being able to continue on with research, continue on with doing these amazing simulations, you know, being able to use supercomputers. You know, anybody who's got an interest in something, who's starting out on a new journey, who wants to go on and try something new, is like, seriously, just get out there and give it a go. What seems intimidating at first, you suddenly learn that not everybody is born with the knowledge that they have. We've all got to start learning somewhere. We've all got to start developing those skills. You know, get in there, ask the questions, give things a go. Don't be afraid to, you know, put yourself out there and, you know, think that people are going to think you're silly because, you know, you don't know this, or you asked a silly question that, like, you know, really, I don't remember who said it, but somebody said there are no silly questions, you know. If you have a question that you can get an answer for, why not ask it? You know, it's something, if you can get a response for it that teaches you something new, you've learned something new that day.